Good morning, guys. Cody Stumbo here at Toyota Bowling Green on a very lovely Saturday morning. We are on the corner of Lovers Lane and Scottsville Road, and this is the only place to buy new or used Toyota or any other used pre-owned vehicle. And one thing we do here, for all the people who don't know, lifetime powertrain protection. It's a great deal for the life as you own the vehicle. Lifetime powertrain protection on any new vehicle or used vehicle, 9 years newer or 90,000 miles. Less than 90,000 miles, excuse me. So I'm here today. Kenny just told me, I found out about 5 minutes ago, we're going to do a pot of gold challenge. So it's $150 worth of stuff I got here today. But you guys know the drill. We do quite a bit of it. So I've got $50 worth of Walmart gift cards, $50 to Cracker Barrel, and then hey, everybody needs this, $50 worth of gas cards, Speedway here in Bowling Green. So it's a great deal here. So what we're going to do is, you guys know the drill. We're going to get over here on this little computer, and we're going to pick one lucky winner. So you see a pot of gold challenge. I'm going to go over here to random comment pickers. So as you see right here in the Facebook URL, we had 521 people comment on our Facebook page to enter this drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this little start button, and it's going to do its business, and then we're going to find us a winner. Congratulations, Carol Young. She's the winner of $150 worth of Walmart gift cards, Speedway gift cards, and Cracker Barrel gift cards. So guys, we appreciate Carol commenting and sharing on Facebook, in which we also appreciate everybody who comes out here and who comments and likes our Facebook and shares our business and what we do here at Toyota Bowling Green. So just a little information: on Monday through Friday, sales is open from 8 to 7. Come see any one of the wonderful sales professionals here at Toyota Bowling Green. And then on Saturdays like today, we are open from 8 to 5. Feel free to come see us today on any used or new vehicle. We'd love to take care of you, love the opportunity to earn your business with the lifetime powertrain protection only on the corner of Lovers Lane and Scottsville Road. We're at Toyota Bowling Green. Again, congratulations to Carol Young. She's the big winner. Carol, come pick up your prize anytime today, and I'm going to leave my gift cards with Justin Taylor. So make sure when you come in, you'll ask for him, and he'll be able to get you your winnings. Guys, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully come out and see us, corner of Lovers Lane and Scottsville Road, Toyota Bowling Green. Thanks, guys.